Team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to share with you guys some goodies. You guys know I always like to share when I pick some great stuff up, and I've told you guys about this product in several videos. I told you when they come I'll show you guys. So guys, let's go along. Before we jump into this video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box, and do not forget to join my WhatsApp group. Number is in the description box as well. You get to chat with me, you get to WhatsApp with me. If you have quick question and answering, like, hit your girl up, let's chat, because some of you guys post some really great recipes and you're lucky that you're too far away from me. I would have come to your house every time to eat, but too bad that you guys are just far away. But yeah, feel free to join if you want to, and I really appreciate it. You know, just I like to get to know you guys personally. Just like to get to know you guys, and like to get to know the real Team Fullest team. Like, you guys are going through with watching all my ads on my video. I'm so thankful. Like, yo, I'm so thankful. Thank you guys so much for watching the ads. I know sometimes the videos are long, so there are multiple ads on the video. But if you guys can help your girl watch 1 or 2 ads, don't skip it. You know, that can give your girl something to buy more products, to buy more things to come and share with you guys. So I really appreciate it. So for all of you guys that are watching all the ads, that will be telling me I'm watching all the ads on the WhatsApp group, I really appreciate you guys so much. So guys, I want to come and share with you something I picked up from AliExpress, some jewelries. I'm wearing one of their earrings. Yes, I tell you guys, I'm into gold. I like other colors, but gold necklace, gold earrings, just beautiful on my skin tone, really beautiful. So I'm here to show you guys some of the earrings and handband and stuff I picked from AliExpress. So first, this is the earrings. This is one of the earrings I picked from AliExpress. I don't know the price, but I know it will be between just €1 or €2. If I'll try and put the price right here. But if any of you guys are interested, let me know. Leave a comment below or send me a message on my WhatsApp, so I can just send the link to you guys. Because sometimes when you try to copy the link, put on your YouTube, the link is so long and it's kind of crazy. So if you guys are really interested in it, send me a message on Instagram or on my WhatsApp number. It's right down there, so I can send you guys the link. So I picked this earring up. It's very beautiful. I really like it. So this is the one of the earrings I picked up, and it's beautiful, very simple. I really love it. So the second one is this one here. So we're gonna do an earrings try all earrings. This is what we're going to do today, okay? It's not clothing try all, it's earrings try all. Okay, we open it. This is how it comes in. Of course it comes in the AliExpress bag, but I took everything out. So now you have this one also, like a gold one, kind of turned around. Very beautiful. So let's put this one on and show you guys. So we're gonna do earrings try all. Like, ooh, like I like accessories. If you guys want to see my jewelries collection, let me know, because the one I have, the where I put my jewelries in the hang, like in the hallway, is full. Like, so I have some of them here, but I'm still buying. Like, I have a lot of earrings, guys. It's just crazy. So this is the other one. This is so beautiful, so elegant. Really love it. So yep, so this is the second. I think I didn't pick a lot, but yeah, I picked 4 earrings. This is the second one. It's very beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. This is the first one, and this is the second one. I don't have like multiple ear. I should have put it both, but I don't have it. So yeah, this is it. So let's take this one out of showing you guys. I'll try and put the prices on the screen if I remember. Don't come for me if I don't remember. So now we're going to try this other one. As much as I love earrings that drop, I also love like simple small earrings on my ears. I don't really wear earrings all the time. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. I wear earrings in certain, like I have to be in the mood of wearing earrings. Sometimes I just do my makeup and go out like this. So this is like a very small earrings, but I love the kind of like, it had like this the shape. I love the shape. It's very, very beautiful. I think I get all the earrings in one store. There was one store I get it. And by the way, they're not paying me to do all this. These people don't even know who is Ami. I just personally buy them and just like to show you guys. So this is the other one. It's also gold and it's beautiful. I love it. And to be honest, I have been buying these earrings a lot, and I have not really, they don't really color. You know how some earrings, they colored after some couple of weeks or months? No, the ones I have there, they are still have the same colors. They're still looking good. It's just as one necklace I bought and that kind of discolored, but yeah, it was very cheap, so I wasn't really mad. And then this is the last but not the least when it comes to the earrings. So I'm going to get all of them comes in a plastic bag like this separately. So they did not come in one bag. Every earrings has its own plastic. And I saw this one and I thought this is absolutely beautiful. Ooh. You guys see how beautiful that is? And I thought this is absolutely beautiful, and I decided to pick it up. Okay, so this. So. Is it fixed? I have the feeling like it's not fixed. I don't wanna. Oh yeah. So this is absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna leave this one on. So now let me show you guys the braces. Is that how you call it? Armbandje. Braces, the hand stuff. I don't know how to call it. This. So I picked this one up also from AliExpress. Yeah, it's gold. It's beautiful. It's just like, it's just beautiful. I love gold. Like, gold is so beautiful. And the other one is also gold. So yeah, this is golden earrings and gold soft. This is so beautiful. This is really nice. I love it. You know what I like to do also with this stuff? Like when I don't have hair on my head, but when I used to braid my hair, I do box braid. I will take all my box braid, I put it on a pony, and I'll take this one and put it around, and then I'll have, it will be like this queen. It will look so good. I love it. But my hair is growing back, guys, so we're gonna start with the braiding tutorial. So if you guys want to know braiding tutorial on my hair channel at AmiFullest, go and check it out. I'll put a link for you guys also in the comment box. You guys can see all the hairstyles I do there. So yeah, so this is it. And now let's take this one out. Let me show you guys the other one. I picked two of this armbandje, and this one has a little design into it. Like this one I have to open a little bit. I have to like, because my hand is not that. Okay, let's open. Yep, close again. Yep, you can close. Yes, I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. So guys, yeah, let's leave this one on. And the earrings, let's just leave them here. And then what I picked up, I want to show you guys quickly as well, is bra tape. You know how you tape your bra, but this one is not. I'll show you guys the one the last time on how you can wrap your breast in case you want to wear certain dresses. But you know how sometimes you wear a dress and maybe you don't want the dress to move around. Maybe you just wear something and you have like, you need something where you can tape on your body and then tape it on the dress, and the dress will just stick like that. So this is what this is for. I don't know if I can. I'm not using my camera, I'm using my phone, so it's kind of like difficult to focus here. But this is what this one looks like. You guys can see it's like a tape, but it's actually meant to stick. You put it on your body, and then your clothes will, you stick it on top of your clothes. So by that way your clothes do not move. It stick there. So for example, if you wear those open top, like you have, for example, the top is open in the middle, and you're not wearing any bra, but you don't want your girls to show out, so you can put this on your skin here, and then put your clothes on top of it. It stick, so it doesn't move. So this is what this one is for. I pick up two of it. Yes, I picked 2 of this one up from AliExpress as well. And guys, I also told you that I pick up some waist trainer. So my waist trainer is here, and this waist trainer is XXS small, the smaller, not extra small but small. You know you have like the 2XXS. I don't know how to call all of that, but yeah, so I picked this waist trainer up because the one I have, I've shown you guys the last time, it's already wearing out. So I picked this one up. It's pretty small, so you guys know what, let's try it on. Okay, excuse my belly, I'm going to stand. So this is what my belly is looking at the moment. I've been exercising, so I'm not holding my stomach in. No, I'm not holding my stomach, but this is how my stomach is looking. So let's try this. This is rubber. This is like rubber waist trainer. It's, you guys can see it's like rubber. The quality is very good. I really like it, and this is the size. Camera focus. It's not focusing. So let's try. Like, it's very hard for me to put this one on because it's not actually my size, but I thought, you know what, let's try. Oops. You gotta squeeze your stomach to put this one in. So this is like the first row. Let me just get. It's not that really comfortable. Okay. Pretty good. Oh, this one is pretty long. It comes all the way down here. Oh, okay. So guys, this is what this one is looking like. Wow. It's pretty nice. Let me just get. It's not really tight. It's not like really comfortable. And this is just the first row. So that means I have 2 more rows to go. Oh, it's not even as tight like this one. This one is already worn out, but I'm still gonna be wearing this one wear this more often because it's already wear out. The pins are already like almost popping off. And the material, that one is very stretchy, so, but this one is not, it's not that much stretchy. So okay, so this is what we're looking at. So this is what we're looking at. This is what the waist trainer is looking like. Hey, okay, I'm just gonna leave this one on because the girl is training. Okay, so yeah, you guys see. Looks nice. Let me put the clothes down. Let me see if you can see it underneath the clothes. You can't see, but you can actually feel that rubberness. Yeah, like if you wear like a very stretchy, very tight clothes like this, you can see this one here. But if it's like loose, you can't really see it. It's not bad, and I love the fact that it comes all the way. It comes all the way here. Like all the way down here, which of course that one don't come all the way down here. So this one come all the way down here, all the way. It hold all this, your belly fat, like your bottom belly fat, everything. So you see, it makes my bottom belly fat like very flat here. So that's good. I like it. So guys, this is the waist trainer, and this is all the jewelry I've shown you guys. This is everything I picked up. Well, I also picked up some nail stuff from AliExpress. I want to try to be doing my own nails. I even pick up, I don't know how to call this thing because I'm not a nail technician. I picked this up at my own local beauty store here in Holland, on the Aldi, yeah, if you guys live in Holland. I picked this up at the Aldi. So yeah, I picked this up for 20 euros, and I pick up some nail stuff from AliExpress, which will be coming hopefully next month. So I can't wait to try and experiment and try to do my own nails and see how it goes. But when they come, I'll show you guys everything and how they look. But guys, this is everything I want to show you guys. It's just a small AliExpress haul. If you guys are interested in all these products, let me know in the comment box, or send me a WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp number. I'll put it right there for you guys. So I hope you all like this video. Hoop dat je deze video leuk vindt. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je vragen hebt. Laat me weten in de commentbox. En volg me op mijn Instagram en op mijn Facebookpagina. Thank you guys so much. Bedankt voor je liefde en steunen. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Team Fullest. Team Fullest. Peace out. Bye. Doei doei.